Hi, I'm Marcia Ramsland. I'm wondering, are you going on a trip very soon? Maybe this summer. We didn't get to go last summer, so this is the time to go. The great thing about going on a trip is being there. But the hard part is packing. Yes, I know. That night before packing is called procrastination packing. We're throwing everything in a suitcase and say, well, I need this. Oh, I remember to take that. Oh my goodness. And we stay up late and get to the destination tired. No more. I remember when we went on our first trip to Maui, Hawaii. It was wonderful. So excited to go. And as we were on the plane, my phone battery went down, down, down. And I reached for my charger and I'm like, oh, I forgot it. And the first place out of the airport was right to the Apple store to get a phone charger. I said, never again. I'm going to make sure that not only do I have a checklist of what to take, but I'm going to make sure that I start a few days early so I'm not doing it at the last minute. So these are the things you need to do. Here are three things in the trip packing made easy checklist that I have for you that you can download this one page and use it for every trip like I do now. So 4 days ahead, you want to get your laundry done. You want to start cleaning out the refrigerator, using things up. 3 days ahead, you're going to start clearing up your desk. You're going to start closing emails and closing things up. And then 2 days before, you're going to list the outfits after you check the weather, and you're going to be able to see, oh, I need this. And 1 day before, you're going to be able to get your makeup case, get your purse packed, get the money in it, and get that phone charger. So don't wait anymore. Be sure and get my trip packing made easy checklist, and you too will be saving money at the other end because you haven't forgotten anything. And on top of it, you're going to sleep well. Go to organizingpro.com and get your trip packing made easy checklist. I know you'll love it. It helps me, and I never have to pay extra for things I forgot, and I always get a good night's sleep. You will too. All right. See you at organizingpro.com.